Hello everyone, welcome to the Geopolitics YouTube channel, your one-stop channel for news on international affairs and strategic issues in English. We are focused on UPSC GS paper 2, political science and IR optional, and all of you must have seen the rise of international affairs related current affairs in prelims of UPSC. So here you will get all that solution with free PDF and short notes to help you in a quick revision.
When we write answers in mains or during our interview, when we are asked about what are areas where India and US are still at odds, most of us goes blank. Even during our critically examining type questions, we just write about only positive aspect of India-US relations, while there are many issues on which India-US are on odds or on opposite views, like WTO, climate, economy, and if we see under security or strategic relationship, then issue like freedom of navigation are there where India and US are not on same page. So let's start with very basic. What happened during this freedom of navigation operation of US? What is this UNCLOS? What is FONOP? And what are official response from both India and US sides? And then we will conclude this video. So first, UNCLOS. UNCLOS is acronym of United Nations Convention of Laws on Sea. Basically, it is a sea treaty. It came in effect in 1994. 157 countries has ratified it. It's basically laws on which seas are governed. Now India has already ratified UNCLOS and it follows UNCLOS law. According to UNCLOS, India's EEZ is up to 200 nautical miles from its shore. But India also follows Maritime Zone of India Act 1976, which is a law passed by India's parliament. According to this law, any military exercise or maneuvers in India's EEZ should be prior informed to India. United States and other Western countries opposes this law and calls it excessive maritime claim. Although United States has signed on the UNCLOS, but it hasn't ratified it yet. So technically, USA is not part of UNCLOS. Now the freedom of navigation operations which occurred last should be seen in same light. US conducted freedom of navigation operations FONOP in India's EEZ without informing India. US 7th Fleet, which most of you remember because of 1971 war, which 50 years we are celebrating in 2021, again entered into India's EEZ. And not only that, the US 7th Fleet issued a very strong worded press release which uses some harsh word. If I can quote the exact wording, then according to the press release, USS John Paul Jones uphold right of freedom and lawful use of sea recognized by international law by challenging India's excessive maritime claim. As this news came in public domain, it created a backlash and India conveyed its displeasure to USA. In response, United States called this FONOP as innocent passage. It means it doesn't threaten India's security. So this was whole issue. If we try to understand what were the probable intentions of United States for this FONOP, then we will find that some probable intentions were following. First, US never recognizes India's law and US conducts such operations all over globe. Point 2, US in past has already conducted such FONOPs like in 2016, 17, 19 and now in 2021. And last probable intention could be US to convey message to China that US ensures freedom of navigations of not only in South China Sea but all across globe. If we see the arguments from India's side, then according to India's side, US and India are already working on Quad and Indo-Pacific framework. So being a close strategic partner, US should respect India's sovereignty and India's laws. US itself hasn't ratified UNCLOS, so how can it claim it? If I can quote retired Admiral Arun Prakash, then according to him, such publicity of such FONOPs are not required at all. Such operations shows US in bad light amongst Indian public and sends conflicting and mixed signals from USA to India. So this was whole analysis of this video. The gist of this video is that everything in Indo-US relations are not on same page. Even in strategic domain, where in last few years we have made much progress, but still there are many issues on which India and US are not on same views. So hoping that you would have learned something. With that, it's a wrap of this video.
You can get free PDF of this video at our Telegram channel Geopolitics YouTube and our Facebook group Geopolitics YouTube. If you like this video, please consider liking it. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will continue to bring quality content for you. We will meet in our next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.